Investing in energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest upgrades Austin homeowners can make. With long, hot summers and fluctuating seasonal temperatures, high-performance windows play a crucial role in maintaining indoor comfort and controlling energy costs. However, even the most advanced energy-efficient windows can fall short of expectations if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation is the key to ensuring your new windows deliver the performance, efficiency, and longevity you expect. Here's how expert installation directly impacts the effectiveness of energy-efficient windows in Austin homes. Maximizing energy efficiency from day one. Energy-efficient windows are designed with features such as double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and insulated frames to reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. These technologies are highly effective, but only when installed properly. Professional installers ensure that windows are precisely measured and fitted to eliminate gaps that could allow air infiltration. A tight, secure fit prevents conditioned air from escaping and blocks hot outdoor air from entering, helping your HVAC system operate more efficiently. In Austin's hot climate, this translates into lower cooling costs and more consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. Preventing air leaks and drafts. One of the most common issues caused by improper installation is air leakage. Even small gaps around a window frame can compromise insulation and reduce the overall performance of energy-efficient windows. Drafts not only affect comfort but also increase energy consumption. Professional installation includes accurate measurement and alignment, high-quality insulation around the frame, proper sealing with weather-resistant materials, secure anchoring to maintain structural integrity. These steps ensure an airtight seal, which is essential for maximizing energy efficiency in Austin homes. Protecting against moisture and heat intrusion. Austin's climate includes intense heat and occasional heavy rainfall. Poorly installed windows can allow moisture infiltration, leading to mold growth, water damage, and reduced insulation performance. Additionally, gaps or misalignment can allow excess heat to penetrate your home. Professional installers apply proper flashing, sealants, and moisture barriers to protect against water intrusion and heat transfer. This attention to detail helps preserve the performance of your energy-efficient windows while safeguarding your home's structure. Ensuring proper window operation. Energy-efficient windows are designed to open, close, and lock smoothly while maintaining a tight seal. Improper installation can lead to operational issues such as sticking, misalignment, or difficulty locking, which can compromise both efficiency and security. Experienced installers ensure that windows are level, square, and properly adjusted for optimal functionality. This guarantees smooth operation and maintains the integrity of the energy-saving features built into the window system. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation may void warranties, leaving homeowners responsible for repair or replacement costs in the future. By choosing professional installation, Austin homeowners protect their investment and ensure that their energy-efficient windows are backed by valid manufacturer warranties and long-term performance guarantees. Enhancing long-term durability and performance. Energy-efficient windows are designed to provide decades of reliable performance, but only when installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that windows remain properly sealed, aligned, and supported over time. This reduces the risk of premature wear, air leakage, and structural issues. For Austin homeowners, this means enjoying long-term energy savings, improved indoor comfort, and fewer maintenance concerns. Improving home value and comfort. Properly installed energy-efficient windows not only lower energy bills but also enhance overall home value. Prospective buyers recognize the importance of professionally installed upgrades that deliver reliable performance and energy savings. In Austin's competitive real estate market, energy-efficient windows installed by professionals add measurable value while creating a more comfortable living environment year-round. A smart investment for Austin homeowners. Energy-efficient windows are a valuable upgrade, but their performance depends heavily on professional installation. From ensuring airtight seals and preventing moisture intrusion to maximizing energy savings and preserving warranties, expert installation plays a critical role in the long-term success of your investment. For Austin homeowners looking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and increase property value, choosing professional window installation is just as important as selecting high-quality energy-efficient windows. With the right installation team, you can enjoy reliable performance and lasting benefits for years to come.